Here's what makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. Student loan debt is the only debt that in 99.999999% of the cases cannot be discharged in bankruptcy. The federal loan debt that you can incur for the Stafford loans usually does not pay for the cost of a university education, so you end up doing what? Getting private student loan debts from banks. Banks aren't regulated like the federal government, where the maximum interest rate on a Stafford loan is 6.8%. On a PLUS loan, you're looking at 7.98%. Bank loans have the ability to go to 15, 18, 19%. And the United States government bankruptcy laws protect those banks. So the banks can screw you with the interest rates that they are charging you, and you do not have any rights whatsoever to say, I cannot afford this. Then the system allows you to defer your student loans, to do forbearance on your student loans. What does that mean? It simply means that you don't have to pay it right away, but the interest continues to accumulate. Now, listen to me closely here. There's not a lot of safe places to make money on your money today. And they know that. And many of these banks and institutions, they borrow at 0% and they're lending to you at 6.8 or 8%. And when you don't pay it back, they are thrilled. They are thrilled because it starts to compound and compound and compound, and 40,000 turns into 80,000, turns into 150,000, and then you think you've been getting away with something because you haven't been able to pay it, and then they contact you and you have got to pay back that $150,000. You can't. What do? They will garnish your wages. Even if you're old enough when this happens, they will garnish your Social Security check. Wow. So when you are taking out student loans, parents out there, when you are co-signing a private student loan, you better be very, very careful, especially because some of the private student loans state that if the person you co-sign for dies, they don't care. You are stuck paying that student loan for as long as it's going to take, even if the student is no longer here. So all the rights are going to the institution. So you better think twice before you think an expensive education is what's going to get you a job when there are no jobs out there to be gotten.
Are you currently facing student loan problems? Then don't wait another minute to see if we can help resolve your federal student loan issues. It really is as easy as making a 5-minute call. Find out if we can help you consolidate all your federal student loans into one easy payment, lower your payments, and even in some cases by much as 50%. Lower your interest rates, get flexible repayment options, stop harassing collection agency calls, and administrative garnishment in as little as 8 weeks. Call toll-free 1-888-894-0777 to speak with a counselor now, or for more information, visit us online at www.consolidatemystudentloan.org.